In this tutorial you are going to learn how to delete a blank page in Word after a table. I prepared a sample case to show you the problem. As you can see, I inserted a table in a Word document and the table extends to the end of the page. In this case, another blank page will be created by Word and you are not able to delete that page. This means that if you print the document like that, you are always going to have an additional blank page in your printings. To delete a blank page, there are two options, but before we start, we need to show the formatting marks. For that, we go to the Home tab and then to the paragraph sections. And in the top right corner of the paragraph section, you will find a button for the formatting marks. Simply click this button and you will see the paragraph symbols and other formatting marks in your document. Let's check out the first option now. We mark the paragraph symbol on the blank page and then go to the Home tab, to the paragraph section and click on the little arrow in the bottom right corner. This will open the paragraph settings. In the section Spacing, we enter the value 0 for before and for after. And for line spacing, we choose single. Then we click OK. And now we change the font size of the paragraph to 1. So just enter 1 in here. And the blank page should be gone. This is because the paragraph that you saw earlier on the blank page slipped right beneath the table. This works only if there is at least a minimal space between the end of the table and the page margin. If you don't have that space, I recommend that you reduce the size of the table just a little bit so the paragraph with the font size of 1 will fit under the table. But if this is not an option for you, I will show you another workaround. For the second option, we again mark the paragraph, then we right click on it and choose Font. In the section Effects, we make a check for Hidden and then click OK. Now the blank page is still visible, but it will not be printed. So that's it, but before you go, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video and maybe also sharing your feedback in the comments.